Good morning.
Good morning.
It's the second full day for us, and we're heading for early admission to Islands of Adventure.
Yeah.
It's Hagrid's time.
Yes. And I also got a new watch.
You got a new watch. Yes, we went on the Walmart trip yesterday.
It's touchable, look.
Oh yeah,
It can show time and dates.
it's very nice. Actually, I like it. And you got gems around it, right? Around the screen.
I got a mini keychain like a unicorn. Look.
Can I see? Oh, that is
You
cool.
can also show the time. Look. It's fun.
Very
watch.
nice. Yeah, we got it in Walmart yesterday.
And now it's 7:24.
It's 7:24. Let's go get that shuttle to the parks.
Okay.
We're through the security. The best mornings are like that. It's the best Tuesday morning.
And today's a full day.
Is that filming happening today? Look at all this filming equipment.
Walkway exit is approaching.
They're filming something. Interesting.
What are they gonna film?
Very curious. I love all the stickers on the equipment. Have you seen?
Yeah.
So many different stickers.
Absolutely. Paddington.
Welcome to
Universal Studios Orlando Resort. Or Universal.
Wait, I have a question. When are we going to cinema? Is it today?
Probably, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Today.
Pronounce that this word and then try, I don't know, start to draw.
And now you just wanna go back there, right? What do you think if we try Margaritaville this time for dinner? This trip? Because we can't keep eating pizza for dinner. The takeaway pizza.
Thing is, when?
When? In the evening, whenever we can. Oh, we have to go to Longhorn.
Take time.
Can you tell I didn't have dinner last night? I'm talking about food already.
Welcome to Islands of Adventure! Thank you. We have some of the most unforgettable and amazing experiences awaiting you just on the other side of those gates, but first we have to open the park. So without further ado, please join me in welcoming Honorary Family!
And he's off. He's going to drop off the backpack and we're a little bit behind. The spirit of everyone's getting to Hagrid's first. Don't you just love it?
Right now it's 7:53.
7:53, that's good time. Okay.
Are we ready?
Wow.
Glad you found the place all right. I've got a very special Care of Magical Creatures class for you today. And Mr. Weasley, who many of you will remember, has kindly agreed to help with getting you around.
Wingardium Leviosa! Happens asked me to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike to take you all to the edge of the forest.
Yes, and that's where I shall be showing some blast-ended screws. Before they all kill each other.
Okay, Hagrid's down with a bit of delay. I think we waited about 20-30 minutes because of the delay. But it's all done now. It's time for breakfast. Oh, it's 150 minutes at the moment. The wait is 150 minutes, guys. And the queue begins right from here. Wow. That is insane. Because usually you would walk this bit. We're gonna walk? Shall we go? What's happening there? Okay. Shade on? Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go.
I don't know where I'm going.
So we're going down the same way to Starbucks. Starbucks. We have never tried the kebab from here. Why? Ooh. Right, so I got matcha today with lavender cream and ham and Swiss croissant. Ready to eat? You should open up your baguette because it's too hot.
Stop.
And this is our view. Okay, so now we had our breakfast and we're heading to the Sue's Landing. Only because we don't do big rides after breakfast. So we're gonna go through the kids area, do a couple of things here, and then it will be VELOCICOASTER time.
But who's very surprising, a feather who has a propeller for rising and zooming around making cracks every high.
I always like this area, like the colors and the shapes. It makes me happy.
Children are required to wear seatbelts that wish to sit underneath the animal. Once again, all little children that wish to sit underneath the animal today are required to wear a seatbelt. If you stand in bed, please ensure that you keep the animal at all times. Let's also make sure we are not double sitting. Only one person is allowed on this animal. Once again, all adults and children are required to wear a seatbelt.
Yes, Mike. I said
We had to force Salvo to go on this ride. He said he doesn't want to go. Let's see if we're gonna get wet. That's one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Well, let's go do it. Here we go. I'm in the red fish and they're in the blue fish. Let's see who's gonna get more wet. Well, I got splashed a little bit.
And we didn't.
And they're dry.
Yes, we
And
made it.
I was the best driver.
Yeah, you are.
Papa
Good.
didn't even help.
I got splashed.
He only told me what to do.
But right now it's so hot I don't even feel it. Let's go do the trolley. High in the sky trolley. We are heading to Jurassic Park. It is time to do this big, fancy, amazing, the best ride?
Yes.
Yes, confirmed. We're going to do a VELOCICOASTER and we're going to check on the dinosaur. Yes, the dinosaur that Lydia named Rosie. We're going to check how she's doing. She was born last year. When?
September the 2nd,
Yes.
2024.
Yes. Very good. Okay, but I have to say this is a crazy ride too. Not just Hulk. Whee! Oh, they're going right up here now. She is tall enough now for VELOCICOASTER, but we're doing a child swap because I think this ride is a bit too intense for her. Maybe next time, yes?
To the animal's physical condition, ophthalmological, dental, respiratory, and cardiovascular. He's kept under close. Loose articles are not permitted.
I just got evacuated of VELOCICOASTER. I had to go across on the little bridge, so I got evacuated from VELOCICOASTER. I waited maybe 20 minutes, and then yes, they gave us 2 express passes. He was waiting in the child swap. And I was queuing up, but I didn't get to ride it. Not today, yes, or not now. We got 2 express passes. They're also ruby color. It's these ones. Yeah, so maybe later. Come back later. What is that? That's a child swap pass, okay? But none of us got to ride it. She said if one party didn't get to ride it. Now we're going to check on Rosie. Yes.
My name is Dr. Orville, and I'm one of the paleo vets here at
She's in the river adventure right now.
Thank you. Sorry, that's next door neighbor Jurassic World.
Look at her. She's big now.
I said she's almost an adult.
Wow.
So in about a month here, she's going to be fully grown. Right now, she's kind of a young adolescent. So she's not too big yet, but she's almost to her full-grown mark. In a couple months here, she'll probably be almost full-grown. Yeah.
Thank you.
Of course.
Look at her. She looks different now. Alright, so we couldn't do VELOCICOASTER this time. And it's gotten very hot outside. I think we're heading to Volcano Bay. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Let's go to Volcano Bay, let's enjoy the sunshine, relax, and start over again tomorrow, Sava. What do you think if tomorrow we'll do for early admission VELOCICOASTer? Oh yeah, we got express passes. Yeah. So we can do it in the middle of the day when the wait is 60 minutes? Okay. Just got on the bus, going back to Cabana Bay, and we need to find out the exclusive gate to Volcano Bay. I have no idea where is it. But we're getting changed and finding the way, yes? Let's try. We're thinking to go with our backpack, just easy, take our phones and bring towels with us. Okay? So we don't pay for the lock in Volcano Bay. Right, we're trying to find our way to Volcano Bay, and we have no idea, so we're just walking around the Cabana Bay. I feel like it's by these 2 towers, but let's find out. Okay, let's try going through this gate. Apparently we need to make a left. Hold the door, please. Oh, I see that. That's a resort guest entrance right here. I think we found the right way. So we're walking by that building over there, and we get to enjoy Volcano Bay. Let's do it. All right, so it's taking us only a couple of minutes really. We just didn't know the right way. But we are by this tower right here. I'm not sure if it's a beachside or, let's have a look, what's the name? It's a bayside. And then I think we go left again. Yes, Volcano Bay guest entrance. It will be on our right. How lovely is that? I have never walked to Volcano Bay, ever. Room key required, Savo. Room key required. This is very cool. We just passed the security. They didn't even check our room keys or annual passes, and we're right here. Look at this little path. I love this. I know. Entrance to Volcano Bay to the right. How cool. What is this? Here we go. Here we go.
What are we gonna do first?
Let's see. Let's see what's the wait times.
Alright. Oh yeah, I wanna get wet.
I think they will scan our tickets right here. Volcano Bay! And we are back in this paradise.
Have you ever seen?
We're going to tap into Krakatoa. It's 70 minutes and then we'll do some rides that don't have any weight now. So this is the plan. And relax a little bit, swim. It's super hot now. I don't know how many degrees, but it's very hot. This is a perfect place to be now. While we're waiting for Krakatoa, we're doing some of the rides that don't have wait time. We're having so much fun. That's a beautiful view of Volcano Bay. We just went on the green one. Somehow we made a mistake and went on the green one, but we'll come back to the blue one because this is like one of the best, I think, right? Now we're going back to Krakatoa. We should be like 10 minutes left maybe. So we're going back. Okay, so we're having a break and some food. I got steak tacos and chicken tacos for Salvo. Lydia is waiting for hot dog, right? And we're taking a little break. We tapped into Krakatoa once again, but it's 100 minutes wait. I'm not sure we're gonna do it again. So let's just relax a little bit. All right, so we finished with the day at Volcano Bay. We're heading back to the hotel to get changed. Go back to Islands of Adventure and try some big rides, yeah?
Yeah.
I hope nothing breaks down now tonight. Did you guys have a great day here? Yes. Just like that, we're back on Islands of Adventure, but this time we're going left. We have 1 hour and a half, so we're thinking to do Hulk, maybe Spider-Man, VELOCICOASTER and Hagrid's. That's very ambitious, but we're gonna give it a try because Hulk is only 10 minutes wait, so we'll be in and out in like what, 20 minutes, both of us. And then we'll see. We'll update you. It's 6:30 now, but look at this gorgeous sunset. I love this weather, it's so good. All right, here's Mr. Hulk. I hope he's good to my head tonight. Okay, Hulk done. Spider-Man 5 minutes wait done. We have 50 minutes left until closing, and we're heading to VELOCICOASTER and Hagrid's possibly. I don't know if we can do both, but let's see. There she is. We're tired now, but we're still enjoying it. So we managed to do Hagrid's with just enough time. And what happened is that when we got in the Devil's Snare, we got stuck there for a few seconds. Everything got switched off, and we stayed there maybe a few seconds, right?
I can imagine now.
Yes. Did you want to say something?
Yeah, and look here. You see this side here? Look inside here.
Wait. Yes?
You know this thing, yeah, this ice? Look inside here. There's coins frozen in there.
Frozen coins? This is cool. I have never noticed that before. Good. That's very interesting. Yeah, big lightning. Let's go, guys. Yeah, we're now walking back to City Walk and going to eat in one of the restaurants, but we don't know which ones yet. Let's see. Oh, that's beautiful lightning. Wow. I know. It is beautiful. What restaurant are we thinking to go? We've got NBC Grill, shall we?
Shall we?
Or shall we Margaritaville?
I want to check the menu for Margarita.
Or Antojitos? Where should we go? Tell us, where should we go? We're really tired now, so we're making stops along the way. Making stops to sit down, stretch our legs. That's a nice place to sit. Are we going? Let's go. I go first? Okay, I go. Bye!
I'm ready here.
No, Alicia, I thought you were tired. I am.
See?
Another pit stop.
I'm tired. See?
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
I didn't even ask to go there. I was just going.
You didn't ask to go where?
Now I'm in my mind. I don't want to go there, but just push me there. My legs. No.
This is funny. Naughty legs.
What? My legs locked.
Does anyone want a green egg? Anyone want a green egg for dinner?
No.
Sounds like an expired egg, yeah, green egg. Hulk was good, by the way. We managed to do Hulk today. It was very good.
We also managed to do Spider-Man.
The airplanes are still flying, even though there's lightning.
We also managed to do Spider-Man.
We are tired, but we're never too tired to look at the shops. Oh, this is quite cute. Nice. Toothless. What's that throw? Wow. How cute is this pillow? Yeah? I look back. Not sure. Not sure about that, Lydia. They're quite expensive here, guys. How much is it again?
14.
14. Wow. There's Mario merch as well. Mario is very cute. I like these colors.
Guys,
Yeah.
look away, look away, look away.
No, I'm already looking.
Look away.
Okay, I'll look away. Super Nintendo World. That's very cool.
Look, I'm Mario.
Mario!
Ciao.
Why is that? What is that?
It's not turning to this.
What? I'm mesmerized. Tell me more.
Mario.
How?
You know Mario when he's...
You need to go like ding.
And then you got the star. And then
Okay, that's a great explanation. Thank you. How does it do that?
they open from here.
Oh no! And then
Oh,
what?
yes, babe. Look. Look.
That's very. It looks like complicated. Reversible pillow, and the price is $7. Lydia, would you like to try this hat? Let's see. That's good. It could be a winter hat. Very good. Let me see. Oh, this is turn around. It's got even the earrings here.
Can I keep it?
No, I'm not sure.
Just margarita over holiday. Hopefully it's not disappointing. It's good.
1 to 10? 1,
7.5.
7.5. 8 now.
Come back later. Maybe it's gonna be 9.
How's your juice? Good. We're in Bubba Gump, by the way. We're barely made it out of the parks. Our legs don't work. Oh yeah, let me try. The food is here. Surf and turf to share. Chicken strips in a boat and a salad.